It's recording already? Alright.
Let me see. Hold on, baby. Roger. Raj.
A good paycheck.
You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Come here. I want you to turn your video on, video the soul collector stuff.
Do it.
Ah, baby. Look at that. Got a minion. Hey, Jack, can you open the door?
Just on the glove box right there.
So you telling me all this is original?
The door panels are original.
Don't touch it. You're trying to flex it. What do you want me to sign, man? What do you want me to sign?
Right there on the. I want to kind of make it a thing.
Is this Amanda?
Huh? Her name's Amanda.
And
First woman ever to
light
truck
of
line.
my life. First and only or what?
Huh?
First and
No.
No. Bench seats, dude.
Oh yeah.
They're good. They're good for something.
If you ever want to use it for a music video or anything, just give me a call.
Don't you be telling me that.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
First one to sign.
First one.
That's badass.
Hopefully we'll get the rest of the gang. Get the troubadours.
That'd be pretty good.
Get Krieger.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing about it. Riding in these, though, man. It's hard for a cowboy to ride in one.
You're welcome to take it for a spin if you want.
Dude, I've been drinking.
I saw him. He had one drink.
I still got 4 shots.
You can rev it up.
You popped that.
That's all right. That'll be something special. I'll say Randall King had
18 was one of my favorite years.
Randall King had a little too many drinks. He put 2018.
Randall King had not enough drinks. I would have realized what I was doing.
Damn, original orange heads, dude.
The what?
The orange heads.
No, I put those on. I ordered those.
I got the 350 or 396 in it.
350. Oh man, how old are you?
Son of dad.
Dad.
Yeah. You know, I've never been in a 72 before.
Really? This is the last year of the most beautiful truck ever made.
They were the square body in 74, right?
73.
Here's the deal.
Square body.
If I drive a Chevy, it's either going to be 83 through 87 or it's going to be 95 to 98.
Yeah.
Those are
My
my
daily
favorite
driver's
years.
is 02.
I've never been in a 70. I've never been in a 72 before.
Yeah.
So now officially 72 is like
Top of the line.
Dude, I've driven Chevy my whole life and I did it.
Rev it up.
That's like that first time, you know.
That low. Last track?
Huh? No, it's actually got it's true dual all the way back, Flowmaster. But she sounds bitchin'.
8 all the way back.
Huh? Yeah. Don't be shy. You're gonna scare the cops over there.
God. know that? That's American muscle, bitch.
Hey, well, thank you so much, Randall. That was awesome.
Thank you.